everybody. So today we're going to be talking about teachers pay teachers credits. A lot of people don't actually use them or know what they are. And it's actually as simple as this. You don't want to leave money on the table. Teachers pay teachers reimburses you for every review that you leave, or I should say they compensate you for every review that you leave on a paid and active product. So not on a freebie. Although those are also great to leave some feedback for the teacher creating them, and not on inactive, discontinued products, not on gift cards and things like that. Teachers pay teachers might from time to time reimburse you for other things, and that will show up in your account. But the main way that you earn teachers pay teachers credits is by leaving a review. So that encourages all of us to go ahead, support our fellow teachers, and leave some nice reviews and hopefully a 5-star rating. So let's get to it and I'll show you how that works. So here is in the help section, there's an explanation here, pretty much what I just said. After using a resource, you can leave a rating and review by following the following steps. You go to my purchase page, click on, there's a blue button, I believe it is, that says leave a review. You leave a review and then when you go into your account and you look under account balance, you're going to see your TpT credits. So I'm going to show you using my own account. So my account balance right now is 30 cents. So, and it will show me, these are all items that I reviewed in the past. And you'll see over here how much the item cost and how many credits earned. So I'm going to show you that in a second. If we go back here, when you leave a review, you earn 1 credit for every $1 you spend on TpT for that resource. Each credit has a value of 5 cents, so for every 20 credits earned equals $1 that you can apply to future TpT purposes, and they do round up from 50 cents. So if I go back here, you'll see right here I earned 59 credits because I paid $59 for one large item, and 99-cent item is 1 credit. $1.50 was rounded up to 2 credits. So how do we do that? So if I go to my purchases, and if I look through, if it says edit review, it means I already left one. So let's see, I'm going to go to one that, okay, this one I use, and it's really absolutely adorable, from Whimsy Clips. So what you do is you hit the blue button, leave a review. Then you hit the green button, leave a review. Then you tell them how you use this resource. I used it for my own purposes. For some reason the stars are not working today, but I'm going to click on that. Hopefully it comes out, and then I'm just going to leave a nice review. I loved this turkey Thanksgiving clip art. Simple clip art, because that's really what it was. I used it in a rhythm activity for my elementary and middle school students. I'll just leave it there for now. Submit. So now remember, before I had 30 cents in credits. So I'm going to submit this. Now I can go back to my purchases and I can do more. I'd like to leave a review after I've really used something. So some of these are fairly new. Body percussion was really cute. So I'll be doing that next. But in purposes of this video, let's now go to account balance. And it says that I have 55 cents to spend. So instead of 30, I had 55. Now, what I'd like to do every so often is I just put on my calendar to spend 10 minutes just going through my purchases that I've made recently and catching up on writing reviews. And then I go to my wish list and I will use this money on something that was in my wish list, or on an item that I've just recently seen and would like to purchase. And it's like the best thing in the whole wide world. So if you were a seller what you can do in your product listing is write something like, don't leave money on the table, like inform people, educate people, the thing that we do the best, on how to earn these credits towards their purchases anywhere else on Teachers Pay Teachers, and also be able to have people support their products as well. So now I'm on my wish list and I'm picking out something to move to the cart, and I'm going to go with this game because I think it's going to be really cool with my elementary students, maybe even with my middle school students. It's from Sing Play Create, music theme Flip It, Slap It, Match It, Note Symbols, and Flashcards. It's $3.50. And I want to support this store as well as use my credits. So what I'm going to do next is go to my purchases. I have 55 cents in credits now already. And I'm going to go down to something that I've used so far. Okay, this one from Hydesies, another Hydesies. I intend to use that a lot. Leave a review. Used it for my own purposes. For some reason, these stars are still not working. I adore all of Hydesies. Clip art. I use some for commercial use, for creating my own products, and I love these puzzle type clip art pieces because they save me time. Thank you. Okay. Now, normally I would leave a little bit more information, but this is a video. So back to my purchases. I'm going to do a couple of others. Those are some freebies. Scroll here. The dominoes. Another Hydesies. Let me do somebody different. Let's do dancing crayons. Leave a review. For my own purposes. Try the stars again. Thank you for an adorable set of clip art. I'm using them with body percussion resources I'm building, and they're very unique. So submit, back to my purchases. Let's do like maybe one more, and I like them to be authentic, so I want to do something I've already used. I've not used that yet. Yes, I have. So this is not a music one, but I thought it was really cool. Some of them will ask for a little bit more information. Star is still not working. Okay. I could never make paper airplanes that will actually fly until I use this resource. I can submit back to my purchases, and let's do one more because I want to save as much money as possible and support as many teachers as I can. Okay, this was really cute from Charlotte's Clips. These music instruments, I did use these. Leave a review. My own purposes. These are beautiful clip art pieces of musical instruments. Very helpful. Thanks. And let's see, we'll do one more. Let's see. It's A plus Amy's. So go back. Let's see. Escape room. I haven't used that yet though. Forgot I had it. Art visuals for autism. That was a really good item too. Let's go back to like the 5th page. Montessori. Monster Solfege. These were really cute. Let me leave. That was one of the first things I bought. Yes, I've used it. I did use it for distance learning, and I used it. Can I pick? Yeah, I used it with all these grades. Strongly agree. And again, the stars are not working. Becca, I just love your resources. So pretty, easy to use, and kids love them. This one delighted my students on Zoom. Thanks again. Okay, so now, instead of going back to purchases, I'm going to go over to my cart. Okay, and now it's showing me that I have this item, this Flip It, Slap It, Match It music game for notes, rests, and note values, and I have an account balance of $1.30. So I will be paying $2.20 instead of $1.30. So I'm going to use the whole thing. So I'm going to put $1.30, apply, and now it says $2.20. So all I have to do is check out and use my PayPal because that's where all my TpT teacher things are. I'm going to use the balance and submit. I will have paid $2.42 instead of $3.50 plus tax. Now, if I kept doing reviews, I could have gotten that item for free. Awesome. And that's how you do it. Download it and you got it going. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this helps. And first thing you should do, go write reviews on all of your items. I'm Paula from the Music Makers Academy, and that is the name of my Teachers Pay Teachers store. I create music products and products that can be used for interdisciplinary lessons that include music for any teacher, private, classroom, online, offline in the classroom, and even homeschoolers. So check out my store. And if you found value out of this, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Feel free to leave any comments below so that I know you're here and I can get your feedback and find out what else you're looking for. Have a great day.